Tuesday, March 16th. Here we are at 4512 Concord Place. We just had our carpets done. Our floors and our risers are done. Rail painted. All the floor is in now. We're just going to do baseboard and finish our doors off next. As you can see, we've had our stairs capped and risers done. There are some squeaks which I'm going to solve with some PL300 this week, but pretty quiet. Top of the landing, bedroom 1, closet doors to put on. Pretty much done in there except the light fixture we need there. Hallway. This is a light gray. It goes with this tan color as well. Bedroom 2. Kind of nice. Bedroom 4. Same tan color. Yellower lighting. All done. Master bedroom, all done. Just got to put some doors on. I've got some new hardware coming. Put that on tomorrow. I've got some extra carpet for the family room. I might come and do that next week when we're ready. Transition into the bathroom. Put a metal strip down. Left the step board. Little floor fixed there with some grout. We're good to go. And overall, they did a fantastic job. I'm really happy with the work they've done. Quieted a lot of the floors. Everything looks good.